Hi everybody, today we're doing another tutorial. I almost got lost for words. Today we're doing another tutorial and today's going to be about how to make really dope intros for free. For this you're going to need a PC. We're going to be doing it on a PC. Yes, we're going to be using panzoid. Hopefully I said that right. And we're going to be using another one called handbrake. Oh yeah, and Google Chrome. For this you need a PC, Google Chrome, and a handbrake. So first, I already got Google Chrome already, so we'll go to Google Chrome. So this only works with Google Chrome. This will not work for Firefox, any other type of browsers for PC. This will not work because I've tried it and I have failed miserably. So remember, Google Chrome. And sorry for my computer is really slow, but good thing for the powering of editing. So we're gonna get handbrake because I don't think I have handbrake. And brake right here. Handbrake is completely free. The reason why we need handbrake is because we need to convert it. We gotta convert it to MP4 format. Alrighty, so we got handbrake installed, so let's go to Google Chrome, type in panzoid, Panzoid, panzoid is completely free, well, pretty much. So let's just make something real quick for the sake of this video. So it has all this stuff that you can do. Let's see, it has online video editor. I should probably try that out one of these days. So we're gonna go to, I'm guessing Clipmaker? Okay, cool. So here we are. So this is your menu, and it's gonna bring you to when you first get here. Alright, so we're in Clipmaker right here. So this is what we want to go to make a really nice intro. So here's some cool places. Ready? Maybe we should go to a new project. That'll work. Bear with me, I'm pretty new on here. Okay. Let's go to mark. Alrighty, so we can go to top, we go to trending. New ones you could click. You just scroll through here. Let's just do. Alright, I guess we'll just do this one. Something new, right? Right. Alright. Here's the things that we can do, all the different ones. So I don't know what that is. But anyways, let's just get to here. If you play this, that's a pretty fire song actually. But what I like to do is I like to keep it on the side thing right here. Okay. So let's just pause this right here. We can always come back. You can click with the left button and use the cursor on your mouse to change it around. Change it the way you want. If you want it to come out like this, you can. Alright, it's probably not going to do anything. Anyways, let's change it, right? So I'm going to keep it on here because I don't really like that one. So basically what you do is you got all your frame rates right here. All that good stuff. I usually just leave it all alone. Leave it all alone. But you can try whatever works for you, Just leave all this stuff default. Alright, so this is what you want. You're going to want something that has a text in it. So basically what you do is just change the text. So let's change this one. Backspace, let's do my channel. Right there, L. And always remember, hit enter. If you don't hit enter, it's not going to put it in there. So this one is the easy one. I got pretty lucky. And whatever you do, you want to change both of these and make them the same, because you see how it is. If you don't, it's just going to put your name in the background and then just name or the default thing in up front. So let's just do. Okay. Remember to hit enter. Now we got that right there. So that's all you pretty much have to do. I got easy. Some are really harder than others. You can play with these effects, but if I was you, just keep them default. What I would do. So what we do here, this is how you download it to your computer. So to download it to your computer, you have types of do it. You could put balance, you could put good quality, you could put extreme quality, faster render. I usually put on good quality, but for the sake of this video, let's put on the fastest render. And then this is the file that's going to save it as, but that's why we have handbrake, so we can change it to the MP4 format. So then whatever you do, you just start your video render, and then we'll come back. Store files on this device, yes please. So this video right here is just going to take 5 minutes to render, which is pretty fast. Be patient. Whenever you're doing the renders, always keep the Chrome browser open on that specifically page, because if not, it won't work. Now for the bigger, higher quality renders, can take a long time, up to like 24 hours. So just be very, very patient. Leave it on the Chrome browser, maybe leave it overnight. If you have it on 4K, billion frames per second, just, you gotta be patient. It's the waiting game. My favorite cereal. Apparently it doesn't take 5 minutes, it takes longer.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Oh. Alright, so we got handbrake working. Just throw the church thing out the way. So what we do here is we drop a file. So this is what it's going to look like once you first open up handbrake. So I'm guessing we just go here, right? Right. I don't know. Alrighty, here we go. MKV file. So let's drop and drag. Or drag and drop. Okay, this seems pretty legit. Okay, so what we do here, since we have this thing, it says format MP4, a bunch of stuff like that. What I do is I leave everything the way it is. Don't touch nothing, unless you're a professional. All right. So this is what we do. It's MP4. Hopefully, we can just hit this button. I do what I'm doing. Please choose destination where you would like to encode to be saved. Alrighty. So let's just pretend like I know what I'm doing. I gotta move this thing because. Okay, so let's save as 706 intro. That's what I'm gonna be saving it as. So now we got that in. Do nothing. Why would you put that? Okay. Start encoding. Would you like handbrake to create the following folder? Yeah, why not? What? Okay. So let me see. I think I have to go to browse and then save as type MP4. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see if that works. And it works. Okay, so it's working. Yep, it says right here what's going on. I don't know what that is, but it's the green. Okay, I think you just have to wait till this is done. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so it says that word finish. Q finish. I don't know. Q. Remember Nicki Minaj? Q. All right. So now, since we have that, let's see. We go back to. Where do we go back to? Oh yeah. So we go back to here. Alrighty, let's go back to my channel. Why would you want to get into? I have to watch that one. Alright, so go up to here. Go up to upload video. Now, if you're trying to do this without converting it to an MP4, it won't upload. Oh yeah, I know. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah, I found it. In less than 5 minutes. So, click on properties, make sure that's an MP4. MP4 file. There it is. That's what you want. Okay. So drag and drop. So let's just leave that there. Publish. Alrighty, so while that's uploading, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, prescribe, get your daily dose of whatever I upload. I'm a content channel, so I upload a lot of content. Daily vlogs, unboxings, how-tos, all kinds of stuff. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the alerts button so you don't miss a thing. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's see what this looks like right here before we head out of here. Wow, that's pretty dope actually. Nice. Alright. Well, see you guys on the next video. Catch you guys on the next one. Bam! Have a good one. No.